Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Print Management Console on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in optional. Best results, you come back with manage optional features right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select add a feature at the top of this window. And you want to search for print management console. Go ahead and check mark next to that and select add. And then give this a moment to install. And then it should be added once that's done. And you may need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.